How to delete duplicate videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Duplicates. Once you're here, you can view all the duplicate photos and videos on your phone. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. And then, select the duplicate videos you want to delete. After that, tap on the delete icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Continue. Then, tap on Delete Videos to confirm. Repeat this to delete the other duplicate videos on your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete duplicate videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.